but you'll see when I make. You can hear it right there. See, nothing noisy. Nothing clicking. Same with when I'm going straight, it's absolutely fine. Sometimes, like when you're going down the highway 65, you feel slight vibration. Oh, that was home.